So I'm Craig Evans, a teaching fellow in the School of Electronic Engineering at the University of Leeds. So one of the main challenges we find when teaching the students is making sure that they're motivated to study your module. You really need a way of grabbing their attention and getting them up and running as quickly as possible before the enthusiasm runs out. If you can make learning fun and exciting, then the students will engage and you're onto a winner. As part of a teaching enhancement scheme at the University of Leeds, we decided to completely overhaul our embedded systems theme teaching. So we designed all the modules again from scratch, starting at level 1 up to the master's level. So we moved away from the 8-bit marker controls we've been using in the past and moved over to the 32-bit marker controllers, and ARM was a natural platform to use for that. The Lab in a Box scheme made it easier to get up and running with hardware and software donations, as well as access to teaching resources. So we now have a completely coherent embedded systems theme based around ARM. In level 1 we use mbed as a vehicle for teaching C, C++ and introducing the basics of marker controllers. The fact that it's so simple to get up and running and comes with the mbed API means that students are quickly able to start investigating and experimenting with the various concepts. It makes it much more fun to do this with the various sensors and displays, and the online compiler means that it's easy for students to take the mbed home to continue studying. So level 2, the students continue to learn more about embedded systems and work on an mbed project. So as well as writing the software, they also design and assemble a PCB, so that at the end of the project they've got a fully functioning embedded system that they've designed from scratch. So in level 3 we go into a lower level register programming rather than using the mbed API. The fact that the students are already familiar with the ARM Cortex-M architecture from the previous modules makes this transition easier for them. Well, the students have really enjoyed it. I think the module feedback's been fantastic, and you can see they find it really exciting. With mbed, there's no kind of big hurdle at the beginning. You can just create an account, log in, and you can get going pretty much straight away. So there's no hurdle at the beginning. The students get in, they really enjoy it then. So we feel mbed OS is a perfect platform for teaching about the Internet of Things.